Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, thousands of AI-built apps are leaking sensitive corporate and personal data to anyone on the internet. And the scary part? The people who built them have no idea. I'm Emily, your "this is exactly why security matters" person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and someone who has absolutely vibe-coded an app without thinking twice about security settings. This episode is making me nervous.
As it should. So here's what happened. A cybersecurity firm called Red Access analyzed thousands of web apps built using popular AI coding tools, Lovable, Replit, Base44, and Netlify. They found over 5,000 apps with virtually no security or authentication whatsoever. Anyone who simply typed the web address into a browser could access them and all their data.
And what kind of data are we talking? This isn't just test files or dummy information. Researchers found hospital work assignments with doctors' personal details, companies' full advertising strategies, retailer chatbot logs including customers' full names and contact information, shipping cargo records, financial documents, completely exposed to anyone in the world.
And finding these apps was shockingly easy. Because tools like Lovable and Replit host apps on their own domains, researchers just did basic Google searches combining those domain names with relevant keywords. In minutes, they had thousands of results. No hacking required, just searching.
The companies pushed back, saying users chose to make their apps public, and technically that's true. But here's the real problem. These tools let anyone in a company, marketing, HR, sales, build and deploy an app instantly. No engineering review, no security check, no IT approval. Just click and launch.
Exactly. A marketing team member who has never written a line of code can now spin up an app handling sensitive customer data. And if they don't know to configure security settings, those settings simply don't exist. The AI does what you ask. If you don't ask for security, you don't get security.
Researchers compared it to the wave of exposed Amazon S3 storage buckets a few years ago, where companies accidentally leaked massive amounts of data through misconfigured cloud settings. Same pattern, new technology, same devastating results.
If your company uses vibe coding tools, check what's been built and by whom today. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Building fast is exciting, but building securely is essential. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.